Hello everybody, please vote for me for Canada's Got Talent. Well, I've heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall and the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 Well, your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty in the moonlight of a true and she tied you to her kitchen chair. She broke your throne and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the